Hey, this is Mark, and today I'll be working on an iPhone 6 with touch problems. So, we've been kind of running an experiment with touch and just replacing Mason, and it seems to have been pretty successful so far. So, this is in the 6 Plus. We don't really see many 6. So I'm going to try just replacing Mason in this 6, and we'll see how it goes. We give a 6-month warranty on these, so if there's any issues, I'll definitely see it back again. But I don't think so. I think it's going to be fine. Break up some of that underfill right on the edge there. Sometimes if you leave it there, it can cause a problem with the chip when you're putting the new one on, not wanting to sit right. And it's about time to hit up Jason for some more of this flux. I'm almost out. He should send me a free tube for promoting his flux. Good old microsolderingsupply.com. Not to be confused with microsoldering.com. Microsoldering Supply, that's Jason Gann. He's a good guy. And he sells the best flux. Alright, looks like we lost a pad. This is a good teaching example. So we got a pad here that is missing, and what we have to wonder is, was it used for something or was it not used for anything? So I can see that there's nothing connecting around the sides. There's just black. This over here, this is obviously a trace that doesn't connect to it. This over here, that's a via that connects to this pad. This one has nothing of the sort. It also doesn't have a copper dot in the center. But if I was to start digging in that center, I would definitely eventually find copper. And that's something that that I've seen a lot of people do, is try to go digging for copper, digging for gold, and you will find it eventually, but it's not the copper you want to find. So another thing that's kind of a pet peeve of mine is people asking if these pads are NC, because their ZXW is down. And it's like, just use your fucking eyeballs, seriously. Like, no, it's not connected to anything. You can look at it and see that. It's very, it's just frustrating to see these same questions asked over and over and over. And everybody just wants you to hand them an answer. They don't want to actually have to work for it or think about it. And then if you try to ask guiding questions rather than just give them the answer, a lot of times you get pushback, and you know they don't appreciate that you're not just telling them the answer. It's the entitlement within the community. I have taken the past few months off of participating in these communities for just this reason. I still watch the posts that these idiots make, but I no longer answer them because fuck you, that's why. All right. Let's see if this works. Oh, that is not right. Oh, well, it is now. It wasn't for a second there. The screen was all kinds of crazy looking. Oh well. Camera's not picking it up, but that backlight has definitely got a flicker to it. And we got the cooldown message. Because I get overzealous with testing. Gotta let this board cool down a bit more first. Now there's a few different, I don't know if they're variable resistors or thermistors, or I really don't know much about it, but there's a few different components on the board that are used for detecting how hot the board is. And I assume therefore, reasons like, say, during charging, if the phone starts to get hot enough to catch on fire, Samsung, that it would, make the phone stop doing the things that'll make it catch on fire. But I'm just assuming that. I don't know. I know Samsung doesn't have anything that does that. But it does have temperature sensors, so I don't know. All right. Let's see if you're gonna boot. And you've got touch. Perfect. All right. You can see that. See it moving. We're good to go here. All right, so I'm gonna call that one done. I'm still gonna put a shield on it, but no need to record that. So here we go. Quick iPhone 6 touch job. Done. Thanks for watching.